What we'll be showing here now is how EMC Documentum could be the repository for any document associated with the SAP HR processes. My name is Chris Eriksson and I'm with EMC. First, to show you here from SAP GUI how you can access any of these documents stored in a repository. It's very tightly integrated with the SAP standard transactions, and you either go to the top level object or you can go down to individual info types to access exactly the document that you're looking for. So here now we'll go to a number of ways how you can add information to this. So you go down to the employee ID, you select the info type you want to add this document to, and using the standard menus in SAP, you just bring up the option how you want to add it. So here we want to add it from a file system. You pick up a file, you add the relevant descriptive data or metadata, and you add the document easily here now. So now we have one document stored with this employee, and here we show you now you can add a scan file. So in this case you have a scan station next to the workstation of this HR clerk, and the HR personnel would here put in a paper in the scan. You go to SAP GUI to say scan this file. The scan station will scan it, store it, and relate that back to the employee ID. And here again you can add any descriptive data or the classification that makes sense for the company of yours. Now we want to go and look at any document here, so we see manage documents. Here you can go in, you can update the content of the file. You can update the metadata or descriptive data. And the number of descriptive data that you can store with any of these documents is pretty much endless. And any of this metadata could also be used to search on. Now, what we want to do is we want to search. So you might have 50 or 60 documents stored against each employee, and you don't remember the file name, but you remember when it was created and by whom, for example. And using the classification, you can easily find any of these documents here. So here I search on some description which contains PER for performance. You search on that and the document comes up here, and viewing it, you just click on the link and it will open up. All this is done aligned with SAP authorization models. We also have done integration to the email system. So you have an incoming email. You want to store that against the employee ID in SAP. And what you do here is just select the employee ID. You give it some descriptive data. And you store it. Now we go back to SAP GUI, and you can see here that this file has been stored against this employee ID. So this is a solution to consolidate all your files, emails, and shared drives into one repository. Thank you.